Do you know what a political party is? It has nothing to do with birthdays. A political party is a group of people who have similar ideas about what the government should do. They work together to elect people of their party into government office. The United States has two big political parties. One is the Democratic Party. The other is the Republican Party. Many other smaller parties also exist. Political parties in the United States nominate or choose the people they want to elect. Once those people are chosen, party members work to win votes for their candidates. Party members want their candidates to be the ones making laws and the ones carrying out those laws. The Democratic Party is the United States' oldest political party. It began nearly 200 years ago. Democrats who became president include Bill Clinton and Barack Obama. The Republican Party began in the 1850s. It was nicknamed the Grand Old Party, or GOP. Republican presidents have included Donald Trump, George W. Bush, and his father George H. W. Bush. Many Americans are members of a political party. No one has to be a member of any party to vote in an election, however. In the end, the voters decide which candidates get elected. Now you're going to go through the questions and answer them. Number 1, what is a political party? A group of people who work together to celebrate politics. A group of people who have similar ideas about what the government should do. A group of people who work together to stop others from voting. The article describes some examples of political parties in the U.S. What is one example from the text? The Birthday Party, the American Party, or the Republican Party? What is the main idea of this article? The U.S. has many small political parties that work to help American voters. The U.S. has two main political parties that work to get their candidate elected, or the Republican Party and the Democrat Party both have their candidates become president. Do you have to be a member of a party to vote? Yes, no, maybe. Which is the oldest political party in the United States? Republican. They are the same age. Democrat. Don't forget to hit the submit button after you are finished.